Hey Spokane, this is Evan here over at Falco's. First of all, I just want to thank everyone who participated in the August promotion for Mitsubishi Electric. We had a lot of people that showed a lot of interest, and we definitely handed out a few pellet grills. This September, we want to extend a promotion, not the pellet grill promotion, but we want to introduce our clean team. We actually clean gutters, we clean roofs, and power wash driveways, and we also clean windows. But if you set up an in-home estimate in the month of September, we will enter you for a chance at a 50% off spring window cleaning. If you move forward with us and do business with us, we will actually give you a 50% off window cleaning in the spring. So we hope you would love this new promotion, and we definitely want to get it out there and introduce our clean team to Spokane. Click the link below, go ahead and set up an appointment, or give us a call, 509-926-8911. All right, we hope to talk to you soon.